Hi everybody, and welcome back to another crochet tutorial. Welcome back to my channel. This tutorial is going to be a very short one because we're going to make a very simple thing. Create a stitch while finishing off our crochet. As you can see here, you can see a different stitch. We don't have the anti-static node, which is often created when we are finishing off. I left this part of the yarn here so you can see that our stitch is this one. The stitch I've created is this one. So let's see how we can do it. So I'm going to finish my stitches here, and then I pull the yarn, and these are the 3 chains we've crocheted at the beginning of our round. So we are not going to use these, but we're going to use the first stitch here. So I turn my work, I insert the hook into the first stitch, I yarn over and pass the yarn through this loop. I pull my yarn. Now we have these loops here, front and back loop. So we are going to work in the back loop. So I turn my work, I insert the hook in this back loop, I yarn over and pass the yarn through this loop, and this is our stitch. As you can see, it's a perfect stitch. As you can see, it's a perfect stitch. And then you are going to hide your yarn back here. Thanks for being with me. Till next time. Bye bye.